Good afternoon. There are no financial interests. Although it's accepted that gardening is beneficial for physical and mental health, however, there's undoubted evidence regarding accidental ocular trauma during gardening. So there's paucity of literature about the KP of home gardeners about eye protection during gardening. And therefore, this study was undertaken to determine the proportion of respondents who use eye protection during gardening, to assess opinion of respondents regarding advantages of eye protection, and to enumerate the problems encountered while using protective equipment. So this cross-sectional questionnaire-based study was undertaken among homemakers residing in apartments in urban Patna and among the 50 female respondents. Semi-structured questions and demographics characteristics on the knowledge of the advantages of protective eye equipment, their attitude regarding whether using eye protection was necessary during gardening, and practices regarding use of such were taken, along with the history of ocular trauma and problems encountered by using the protective equipment. The results were grouped into related thematic areas and represented as percentages. All respondents had a mean age of about 46 years and agreed that some form of eye protection was necessary during gardening. The perceived advantages of eyewear were protection against dust, leaves or grass blades, gardening tools, sunlight, but not against chemicals or fertilizers. The use of protective equipment was not done by almost over 50% of the users, while about some of them used the regular sunshades or prescription glasses, while very few used on-ear protective goggles, goggles with headbands or face shields for the purpose. In fact, 4 of them had suffered in ocular trauma, but 2 of them were still not using any eye protection. The reasons cited therefor were discomfort, poor access and cumbersome maintenance, and difficulty in looking through the equipment. All of them, however, agreed that awareness needs to be disseminated in apartment communities about the same. Trauma with gardening has been occasionally reported in literature with whenever a failure is there to wear eye protection. So in a study among rural agricultural workers, it was found that if they were provided protective equipment at the beginning of the harvest season, the amount of ocular trauma did go down. Accidental injury can occur, which is also accompanied by vision problems and ocular inflammation. So this increase in trauma due to domestic activities and accidents is usually, now increasing, in fact. So in the present study, this protection was perceived as advantage, but nobody not or thought of that chemical injuries from fertilizers, etc., could also lead to eye injury. Now, the designs of not wearing eyewear were cited, but it is well known that ergonomically designed, lightweight, and optically clear protective eyewear is not expensive and can be easily accessed online and offline. So all the respondents agreed about the awareness, and there's a study which reports that there's a kind of herd mentality among workers in the same household. So here also, by analogy, I feel that it may also be true for apartment communities. If we disseminate awareness about eye injuries, then there may be the whole apartment. If one takes up eye protection, the others will also follow. However, there can our ophthalmic associations also have got a role to play in this regard, taking measures to promote awareness activities with emphasis on the correct and regular use of protective eyewear and on following instructions and warning labels on chemicals, lawn and garden equipment. So in addition, the ophthalmic facilities of first contact should also be identified and alerted so they can expedientially act to prevent the irreversible loss of vision should eye injuries occur. Being a pilot study, the limitations are that inferential statistics could not be calculated as they could have yielded no additional useful information. So there's a need for increasing awareness among urban homemakers about comfortable, ergonomic, transparent eye protection equipment suitable for use during gardening, and ophthalmic associations may take measures to promote these awareness activities in urban apartment communities. Thank you for your patient hearing.
Very nice, important point brought up. I think ophthalmologists need to be involved for this awareness, because very frequently we see in our practice this is going on. Great.
Thank you, sir.
Any questions, anybody of the panelists?
house, you are saying that homemaker doing gardening, it's basically a hobby for them. So do you took in aggregate time used by every homemaker in the gardening, so that when you are saying that they should think for using the protective, how much average time each homemaker was putting for that gardening?
So it was about 4 hours per day almost
4
for
hours,
two
lady?
evening in balconies. Yes, they were
very-
very affluent homemakers having more than 50 pots in their balconies. More than 40 to 50 pots in their balconies. And tending to them solely, not with house help or external Mali help. They were doing by themselves.
Housemakers will usually have a house help who will do all these things.
Sir, we are now hanging baskets, we are having vertical gardens, so there's a lot of scope in.
That was
Right.
average time, 3 to 4 hours everybody was putting in the.
Yes,
Okay,
2 hours
that's
in the
good.
morning, 2 hours in the evening. That's what they reported. That's the self-report. There can be bias. I totally agree with you. There can be a bias in this.
And there is no cutoff as to whom the study identifies as gardening, like how many potted plants, nothing like that. Ma'am, they can be
So
as
I
low as
said
two.
that it was approximately 40 to more than 40 plants in the garden. Hanging, vertical gardens, indoor plants in the balconies, etc.
Actually,
Urban gardeners living in
what,
apartments.
what I
No,
wanted to ask, whether you took the people who had the balcony gardening, or those who had a house with a
No,
lawn
apartment.
as well as.
no,
So you took only apartment.
Apartment gardening. This is a new thing, people are more and more with COVID, they have become more conscious about people staying in the house and tending to apartment gardens.
Anyway,